Hello, I will show you how to change WordPress default logo. Inside WordPress root folder, open wplogin.php file by any code editor. For me, I use Visual Studio Code. Find line with ID equals login or div ID equals login. Inside div element, select the line and comment it or delete it or replace it with your logo image file. Inside div element, select the line and comment it or delete it or replace it with your logo image file. After last change, refresh page and see the WordPress logo has been gone. Here I've added my custom logo image. After last change, just refresh and see new logo image. Thank you for watching. Please make like this clip and subscribe to my channel.